Recording in progress.
Yo, boys. So we are now in a XAU USD trade. We are gonna go through this trade when it finishes. Actually, well, I think I have enough time. One second. We are already in this trade. I entered it a couple of minutes ago. I'm going to go through it now, actually, bun waiting. So basically what we've seen is the US dollar is actually quite weak at the moment. Gold is rising in price. So what happened was after a news announcement, gold became bullish. It hit a percent rise from a low that we had, which is quite nice. It shows that gold, there's a lot of strength in gold, which is always good to see, especially for real life markets and for actual in real life the economic side of it. Gold is a great thing that backs currencies. I mean, it used to back currencies, it doesn't anymore. But it's a very strong commodity and should be definitely bought in real life. So we are definitely going to see some movements on gold in the next couple of weeks, I think. So yeah. So what we did was I've had a couple trades in at the minute. This one actually did get tapped the other day. I did not take it, as I said in the previous video that I would have posted. But I've got a Discord up with a couple boys in it, and they were all like, "Why are we selling from here? Why are we selling from here?" And then everyone started like doing their research, doing their looking at it, and they're like, "Oh yeah, this shit gonna sink." There's like 5 guys looking at it. That's a whole lot of nothing I'm seeing right now. Bro said whole lot of nothing. Bro, oh wait, bro's not looking at gold. He wants EU to fail. He wants EU to fall. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I see that. Right, let's get back to the video, lads. Right, what is this, bro? So yeah, we're already oh, you can't see that, can you? So yeah, so what we're actually looking at now is a little profit. I want to secure the loss that I had today, because we did lose a percent, but that's completely fine. I'm not too worried about that. So yeah. So what we've seen is on the hour chart, no, on the 15-minute, we're going to look at. So on the 15-minute, we have invalid price action. Right. So no lie, boys. These men are telling me to get in a call. Everyone's booking out. Everyone's stressing. Why is everyone stressing? PR. So yeah, we only risked a 0.5% on this trade. So hopefully it's going to get back the loss we had earlier. But yeah, so we have invalid price action on the 15-minute. We have a pretty sure it was 5. We have a 5-minute fair value gap right above, right below the let me just pull this over here. Is that correct? Needs to be a little bit above. Right above, below the supply, which is always nice to see. It's nice to see areas of confluence coming into each other. So that's nice to see. What we actually want is this area to be taken out. This will be quite nice to see. The only thing is right, these guys are actually getting really annoyed at me that I'm not in the call. So I'm gonna end this video and go through actually, nah, bun them. I don't really care. I don't really care about them. So yeah, we had the yesterday's high, a little liquidity grab. Of course, you have to place your stops above the high, just be for safety. A lot of people don't actually do that. A lot of people would put their stops here, which is why you get stopped out instantly. And when you're looking for a big risk to reward trade, you want to keep your risk low because you know if you hit, you're going to be all right. So the 15 risk to reward. So that's what we're looking at. But yeah, if we're really stressing about this, what we kind of want to do is take profits at all of these levels. This is the sort of thing I like to do on a nice risk reward trade. Like I'll be taking out 0.5% profit quite a lot. Or I'll just be genuinely just leaving the trade in. I'll take 1% and then just look away from the market, as I don't really care what then happens. Yeah, so because this trade will take a little longer, I will update everybody when things happen with it, and we'll see what happens. Right, boys. So we are actually coming close to the first take profit line. I am actually now stops are. Oh, come on. Come on, bro. Come on, give me. Fuckers up 6 bands. Brother's up 6 bands. I'm only up like 200 quid. But yeah, stops are now at break even. So we are now stress free in this trade. But motherfucker said he's up 6 bands already. How much is his account? Oh, okay. So he's on 100K. Okay, he's on 100K. So where did this motherfucker enter? Oh my god, he had the best entry. Oh, it looks like this guy entered like this. Oh, okay, he must have risked 6%. But I don't get that. Wait, what the fuck is this? I don't know if he's capping or not. But yeah, so this is what the trade is looking like at the minute. I would want to take all of this off, but I want to keep it on there for this week because I like seeing the end of the week analysis, taking a picture of it, putting it on a chart, and having an Excel spreadsheet of everything that I do. So yeah. But yeah, basically what happened here was we have imbalance sitting at this area, which we need price to come back to. Gold always does this sort of thing. It always follows structure because real life movements, real life money in and out of the markets, gold likes that. So what we also want price to do is either come down to this demand level, sweep it. This has already been filled, so I don't look at this anymore, or take out this low. The only issue with that is I don't think gold is actually going to be doing that because at the minute, the economic pressure for gold is bullish. Had a little push down since the high, but now that the debt ceiling was actually raised, gold is going to go back up. Gold is definitely going to go back up. So yeah, we're just looking at that right now. It's chilling. The trade is going nicely. Trade is going nicely. I just posted that. I just posted this screenshot, yeah, to the Discord, and everyone's like, "Why'd you get filled so early? Just paid a month of your rent." You did, bro. He did, bro. It actually, this guy is actually a retard. It literally says like 98K. But yeah, so this is how you like win FTMOs, guys. Like you really just have to what's it called? Take pride in your trading. That we keep going. He said he wants 30K from this trade. I'll show you that a little bit. I said this calm, just paid a month of your rent. Boys, please pray. I need this to take at least 30K from this trade. Bro, don't be too greedy, boy. Don't be too greedy. But yeah, so what we actually want to see is it just push down on the 15-minute. I kind of want this to close under here. I would rather it not wick. I do very much like this. This is a nice tap in. Liquidity is great. So I see, man. I see. Okay, so because of the actual pressure of the downside push, this is this taken out. This needs to get taken out. This low needs to then be broken. That's why I've got my stops here, because this low is either going to be set as a demand level for another push up to break above these highs, or it could be a barrier for entry. But we will see. I'll keep this trade updated. And we will see. Let me actually. Okay. Yeah, so we are now risk-free on this trade. Completely. We'll see where it goes. Okay. It's now pushing up a little bit. But yeah, because this trade will probably take a little while to actually trigger and push down further, I'm gonna end this video and get back to you all when more movement is happening. But yeah. So we've already secured how much did we secure? I can't even remember. Yeah, we secured 1%, because we were only trading 0.5, as you can see, 0.5 risk on a 25K. So it's completely chilling. GBP JPY. This is the trade that we lost earlier. Unfortunately, we did get filled here. I actually don't fucking know why. I was even above that. We were meant to enter here. But yeah, we got stopped out, but that's completely fine. And then we'll just see what gold does on the long term. So hopefully you man caught the same sort of setup, seen some success today. And we'll catch you man later.